Hello everybody, this activity is called See It, Say It, Write It, and it is reinforcement for sight words. It's a great activity if your child's learning sight words or your students. As you can see, I have a Ziploc bag here with some hair gel in it, and I put some duct tape on the top to keep the hair gel from coming out. This is a sensory bag that your students or your children can use to write their words. As they look at the sight words, hear the sight words, they need to say it and then be able to write it. This will help them as they continue to learn to read. For example, let me model how you can use it. Our first word is "and." The child may have to use their finger to write it a couple times in the hair gel. This was a learning experience for me. I would recommend using maybe shaving cream in a Ziploc bag instead of hair gel. This actually was some kind of cream, hair cream, so it didn't work as well. But as teachers, we make mess ups and we learn from our mistakes. So if you want to try this at home, I would recommend using like shaving cream in a Ziploc bag. Our next word is do. Do. The child would say, they would see the word or hear the teacher say it, and they would repeat it, do, and then they would write it. This is a great way for you teachers to see if your students truly understand. I'm going to model another one. After your child is done, they can just squish the hair gel and start over. It's a great way. If a child's having problems doing it with their finger, they can grab a pencil. I just have a Sharpie. That's all I had on me at the moment. And they can use the tip as long as it's not sharp. As you can see, our sight word is sun. I have these vocabulary cards so the child can see the word. They see the word. They say the word. The teacher would say, "What is this word, class?" Sun. And now they would write the word using their finger or a pen, as you see me using. This just reinforces that sight word. If they can recognize it, know how to spell it, and know how it sounds, it's going to help your reader better decode the meaning of maybe a paragraph or a sentence that they may have trouble reading in the future. I recommend that after your students write it, that as a group you say it one more time. Sun. And then you just squish the hair gel in the back and you start over. Let's model one more. Our next sight word is cat. C-A-T. What does that say, class? Cat. Have a visual there so the students can get an image in their head. And then they would take their pointer finger. Let's take our pointer finger, class, and let's write the word cat. C-A-T. What does this say, cat, class? Cat. C-A-T. Cat. Good job, class.